You have to be part of the system if you
Yeah.
want to change the system. You cannot change it until unless you are part of the system.
Right.
Because the moment you try to change as an outsider,
Yes.
you will get resistance. मेरा इंटरव्यू डेट और एग्जाम डेट सेम डे
सेम
था,
थे.
तो मैंने सुबह एग्जाम दिया,
हाँ,
शाम को
शाम को.
इंटरव्यू दिया,
वाह.
and I got selected. And believe me, plant में priorities day night चाहिए. आज ये प्रोडक्ट अर्जेंट है, कल दूसरा हो जाता है. और मजे की बात ये है कि ऊपर वाला बहुत सपोर्ट करता है. जिसके लिए आप ना बोल के बुरे बन रहे हैं, वो मटेरियल ही नहीं आता है. एक डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोला, यू आर मेकिंग ए जनरल मेडिसिन, ये टेक्स्ट बुक मेडिसिन नहीं, वाई आई शुड प्रिस्क्राइब योर मेडिसिन. तो मैंने उनको जवाब दिया, सब मैं तो आपके पास आता रहूँगा जब तक आप मुझे सपोर्ट ना करें. एंड वन डे ही स्टार्टेड.
Okay.
And the moment he started, whatever stock was available in that area, so entire stock was sold in one day. Look at Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah.
They were such a brilliant batsmen,
Right.
but they were never successful captains. Look at Dhoni. He doesn't have many batting records, but he is one of the most successful captains ever. You need to create a very good team. एक होता है respect out of fear, एक होता है regards out of love.
आप मेरा पोजीशन बढ़ा दो एंड देन आई विल कंट्रीब्यूट मोर. सो व्हेन दिस हैपेंस, मुझे ये सवाल आता है कि सो विल इट बी फर्स्ट द प्रमोशन और डू यू वांट टू बिकम अ केपेबल? तो व्हाट इज योर मैसेज और लाइक व्हाट वाज योर लर्निंग?
I will use another phrase. First deserve, then desire.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Now podcast. So today we have with us Mr. Naresh Kumar Gaur. So start from starting his career in 1984 from IPCA Laboratories. He moved to various organizations from like Sun Pharma, Torrent, Ranbaxy and to the Amneal, right? Now holding the position of Executive Vice President at Stallion Laboratories. So he has more than 4 decades of experience, right? And when it comes to manufacturing operations, he's one of the expert. So today we are going to learn a lot from his leadership aspects, his journey, and how he has navigated in various challenging situations. So welcome Naresh sir.
Thank you.
So sir, let's start from your childhood. What was that one thing you have chosen this career?
Well, in 70s, to be very precise, in 1977, I did my higher secondary. In those years, it was 3 years CBSE course.
Okay.
So 9th, 10th and 11th.
Right.
There was no 10 plus 2. And mostly in those days, you have 3 career options, like a doctor,
Correct.
MBBS, or an engineer, or a lawyer.
Yes.
I was lucky enough to get admitted to a convent school. To be very, honest, I am basically from farming background. मेरे घर में गाय भैंस होते थे. मैं खेत में जाके घास काट के अपने सर पे लेके आता था, कभी साइकिल चलाता था. एंड आई यूज्ड टू गो टू fodder shop also to get feed for my cattle. I have done milking of cows and buffaloes with my own hand.
Yeah.
Unlike you must have seen in Sholay movie, Amitabh Bachchan
Correct.
mounting a buffalo.
Yes.
That also I have done in my childhood days.
Yes.
But being with convent, I was fortunate enough to be educated in English medium.
Right.
And there I learned a very good habit of reading the books.
Correct.
So from reading the books, which became a passion, I learned so many things. And in my school library, whatever I had, right from Al Stanley Gardner, Annette Britton,
Yeah.
all those books, James Headley Chase,
Wow.
to Robert Ludlum, and now moving on in my career life, I've gone through spirituality books. I've read everything.
Okay.
I've read Hindi books, novels. Gulshan Nanda,
Right.
Vinod Kamboj, all those
Correct.
books used to be there.
Yeah.
So what happened was ki thinking over medical in those days was a pre-medical test. And you needed 63-64% cutoff marks, which in today's scenario is too little.
Yes.
But it was not happening. So I thought, why not do something different? So I did not want to go to a medical field.
Correct.
But being a biology student, I wanted to go. And what happened was during my school days, I was very fond of writing poetries, essays in Hindi.
wow.
So I wanted to go into my art side.
Okay.
But my elder brother, he forced me, "Nahi, you have to take science."
Okay.
So just to recall, in those days, yes, your Piyush Mishra hai abhi,
yes. Yes.
movie star, music director and all that.
right. Right.
ये मेरे टाइम का ही है, मेरे से एक या दो बैच जूनियर ही था स्कूल
Okay.
में.
Okay.
And we did our schooling together.
Hmm.
I'd been to his house several times during my childhood days.
Okay.
All those friends which he has mentioned in his book, they were my close friends.
Okay.
And they are
Wonderful.
still, I mean, one of them, few have gone.
right.
So I did my high secondary and then I chose pharmacy field.
Hmm.
So जैसा 3 Idiot में बोलते हैं ना कि my girlfriend and wife both are pharmacists. And that's the reason that I love my profession.
right.
And once I did, since we had very humble background, not enough money,
Yes.
I knew that if I have to be successful, I need to do PG.
Hmm.
And I did my M.Pharm in pharmaceutics, which was rare in those days.
Okay.
I was amongst top 5 in my university for pharmacy. So I got pharmaceutics as a specialization. And though in 1983 I was selected for R&D in Lupin,
Okay.
but I refused. If I have to be in R&D, I have to have a PhD, and which I was not able to afford.
Correct.
Neither I have time or nor I have money.
Money.
So I chose operations, and on 3rd January 1984, I joined Ipca Laboratories, Ratlam facility.
Yes.
You wouldn't believe I was getting 600 rupees as a scholarship during M.Pharm,
Okay.
and my first paycheck was 700 rupees. That too, I negotiated 50 rupees extra because Mr. K.C. Jain was manufacturing director.
Yeah.
So he offered me 650 rupees per month.
Okay. And what was the average salary range in those days?
700 was good enough,
Okay.
especially in Ratlam, because in Mumbai, freshers were getting only 400, 500 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
7 kilometers I used to go on cycle.
Okay.
From Ratlam to Sajavta was a village where the plant is.
Yeah.
First tablets were produced by me of Ipca Laboratories.
Wow.
And thereafter, it's been almost 42 years. In January, I completed 42 years in my industry.
Wow.
And by virtue of learning, in 2.5 years, I realized that if I continue to work in a plant, I will die as an anonymous guy. And I had very huge ambitions.
Yeah.
So I thought, let me do something of my own. And that was the era when you saw Sun Pharma, Reddy's,
Right.
all those companies came up, even Aurobindo. Everybody came up in 80s only.
Mm-hmm.
So I tried to venture on my own,
Correct.
went back to Gwalior, my native place. My family, my elder brothers were into electrical contractor business, so they were close to political leaders.
Right.
But as eventually happens out, I got married also in the same year. There were no finances available, and label of Gwalior was not supporting me in selling Medicare.
Yeah.
So I ended up working with 2 different smaller companies.
Okay.
For 10 years, I moved around right from procurement of the raw material to manufacturing to selling.
Wow.
And that experience, that built my marketing skills.
Yes.
Though I did not have any professional marketing education,
Correct.
I tried to learn something from IGNOU, but I did not complete it. But practical experience taught me lot many things: how to talk, how to approach,
Right.
how to be, fearless with unknown people, how to be friendly with strangers. Not only that, while waiting for the doctors, the ego which आप एक डॉक्टर के वहाँ बैठ के इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि वो कब बुलाएगा आपको. आई टेल यू, एक डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोला, यू आर मेकिंग ए जनरल मेडिसिन, ये टेक्स्ट बुक मेडिसिन नहीं, वाई आई शुड प्रिस्क्राइब योर मेडिसिन. तो मैंने उनको जवाब दिया, साहब मैं तो आपके पास आता रहूँगा जब तक आप मुझे सपोर्ट ना करें. एंड वन डे ही स्टार्टेड, and the moment he started, whatever stock was available in that area, because it was hardly selling anything, so entire stock was sold in one day.
Correct.
And then in next time he said, अरे तुमने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं, तुम्हारा माल ही नहीं था यहाँ पे.
Right.
That taught me so many things, that persistence and hard work always pays.
Right.
So hard work was always ingrained in my since childhood. When I started my career in 84, you won't believe 3 days I used to stay in plant only. I don't used to go back. Right from शटर का ताला खोल के उठाने से लेके my manager once he saw me कि शटर भी तुम ही बंद करता है खोलता, बोले why you are doing this?
Yeah.
Ask the security guy to do it.
Correct, correct.
And then he fired that security guy कि तुम ये गौर साहब क्यों खोलते हैं? You have to open this. तो मैंने फ्लोर स्वीपिंग भी किया. Once I was standing with Mr. प्रेमचंद गोदा in the packing hall. वहाँ पेपर पड़ा हुआ था और मैं जेब में हाथ डाल के उनके सामने खड़ा हुआ था.
Okay.
तो बोलते हैं तो क्या बहुत बड़ा साहब हो गया है? ये कागज क्यों पड़ा, उठा. And I learned a lot from him. He is a gem of a person. He is I think chairman emeritus now of IPCA. But you can learn enormous things from him. So, and that was my learning phase, where I learned so many things, right from my granulation to packaging, everything I was doing, warehousing, engineering, water plant chalu karna, everything I learned there.
Right.
And because by virtue of working two smaller companies, I got entire knowledge of the plant functions.
True.
Which nowadays what happens is आजकल के बच्चे लोग अपना limited scope, limited area रख के बैठ जाते हैं. They don't even try to learn the machines. Whereas we were able to rip open the machines with our own hands.
Yeah.
मेरे पैंट पे एसिड गिर गया, पैंट खराब हुआ, तो मिस्टर जेएल नागौर used to be the accounts guy in those days. After, I mean, he retired as executive director of that organization, IPCA. बोले नरेश तेरा तो पैंट खराब हो गया यार, चल मैं तेरे को पैंट सैंक्शन कराता हूँ. Then in those days, IPCA started giving 2 dresses to their employees.
Okay.
That was the cause of starting. I don't know whether they are still continuing with that.
Correct.
Then after 10 years, I again called up Nagori, and he told me, okay, Naresh, if you want to come, please come. And I joined there as executive in liquid oral section.
Okay.
And by virtue of my hard work, I was sent to Kandla. So in 96, I came to IPCA Laboratories Kandla. For 4 years, I was managing the 2 facilities. Both were regulated facilities, but it was one was South Africa, and other CIS countries, Russian countries.
Correct.
So we were exporting from there. And after 4 years, because it was limited to beta-lactam, so I was going into one small niche area only.
Right.
I thought it's better that I switch on to some other organization.
Right.
And then I changed to Microlabs Hosur. So for 13 months, there was a totally different culture. They had a different language.
Right.
Language was a big barrier. And then North Indians were, I mean, I don't know now what is the current situation. But I was not able to gel up there. And I got an opportunity to work with Cadila Pharma Dholka. And they hired me in their packing.
Okay.
Now, because of that experience of marketing,
that helped you.
That helped me gel with the unknown people.
Correct.
And I was able to manage the operators, the unionized operators.
Right.
And I knew how to mingle with them.
Yes.
जैसे एक फिश है ना, पानी में रहती है तो रिवर के करंट के अपोजिट भी स्विम कर सकती है. लेकिन हम जब स्विम करने जाते हैं रिवर में तो अपोजिट में जाते हैं तो थक जाते हैं.
Correct.
So you have to be part of the system if you want to change the system.
Wow.
You cannot change it until unless you are part of the system.
Right.
Because the moment you try to change as an outsider,
Yes.
you will get resistance.
Correct.
तो वहाँ एक सिस्टम था, ए वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. वहाँ हम लोग जब चेंज रूम में गाउनिंग करते थे तो पूरे शर्ट पैंट निकाल देते थे, अंडर गारमेंट्स के ऊपर एक गाउन डाल के जाते थे, ओवरऑल टाइप का. तो लॉकर में रखना होता था, उसकी सबकी इंडिविजुअल चाबी थी. अगर कोई चाबी भूल जाता था तो वहाँ एक इंटरनल रूल बनाया था कि 50 रुपये पेनल्टी लगेगी. ऑपरेटर को 10 रुपये, साहब को 50 रुपये. तो मैंने कहा ये अच्छा आइडिया है. वो जो पैसा कलेक्ट होता था उससे फिर पार्टी होती थी. भजिया पार्टी, चाय नाश्ता पार्टी. गुजरात में पार्टी काफी होती. तो डेलिबरेटली मैंने कई बार किया.
अच्छा.
तो क्या अभी गौड़ साहब से 200 रुपये आ गए.
राइट.
सेम में क्या हुआ कि जैसे मेरा हाउस कीपिंग वाला है, तो उस हाउस कीपिंग वाले को बात करना, तेरा बच्चा क्या करता है, क्या बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए फिर स्केच पेन्स वगैरह लेके आके उसको दिया. तो उससे जो पर्सनल रेपो बना, यू वोंट बिलीव, जो शॉप फ्लोर मेरा इतना गंदा रहता था वो बंदा इतना दिलो जान से करता, चमकने लगा।
वाओ।
हमारा एक इंस्पेक्शन हुआ, उसमें ऑडिट ऑब्जर्वेशन आया, तो लाभ पांचम पे मोदी साहब आते थे प्लांट पे।
ओके।
बट उनको क्या हुआ कि पैकिंग वालों की वजह से ऑब्जर्वेशन आया,
राइट।
तो मैं नहीं जाऊँगा। शिवानी साहब वाइस प्रेसिडेंट थे,
हाँ।
तो उन्होंने कहा साहब चलिए ना साहब। तो मैंने भी रिक्वेस्ट किया, साहब एक बार तो आओ साहब। तो बड़ा मुश्किल से वो आए, लेकिन जैसे उन्होंने देखा कि इतना चमकता हुआ पैकिंग हॉल है, अरे मेरा पैकिंग हॉल तो पूरा बदल गया।
राइट।
उन्होंने वहीं मुझे गले लगाया। दैट वाज द, आई मीन, इन दोज बिग अचीवमेंट, आई ए मोदी हिमसेल्फ हग्ड मी
राइट।
एंड ही यूज्ड टू सेंड अ नोट। अभी भी ऋषिकेश रावल साहब इसमें है प्रेसिडेंट जाइडस में। उन दिनों केडिला में अगर एचआर वाला बुलाता था तो ये होता था कि आपकी गई ये नौकरी।
राइट।
बट उन्होंने बुलाया गया, अरे नरेश भाई तुमको तो चाय नाश्ते के लिए बुलाया है, ये देखो मोदी साहब ने आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट भेजा है। बिकॉज व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज एवरी डे समथिंग न्यू। In 2001, I got hold of that book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
Yes, yes. Wonderful. I think Robert is the author of that book.
No, Dale Carnegie.
Dale Carnegie. हाँ. Yeah.
So, उस बुक में एक क्लॉज, मतलब वे था हाउ टू रीड दैट बुक. रीड वन चैप्टर, डिस्कस विद योर कलीग्स. तो आई यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस दैट.
Okay.
And that made huge difference in me. So it taught me several good qualities of an effective leader.
Correct.
The biggest phrase that I still remember, that if you want to be a king, first behave like a king.
Oh, okay.
So लोगों से बात करना, नई नई चीज़ें करना, वहाँ जितने डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं वो मैंने सारे चेंज कर दिए. प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसे बढ़ा सकता हूँ, कॉस्ट कैसे कम कर सकता हूँ. और उसमें मेरे को ऑपरेटर्स के साथ लोगों ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया. उन लोगों ने, वो लोग जो आइडिया देते थे, आई यूज्ड टू इवैल्यूएट दैट. लेटर ऑन व्हिच आई लर्नड एज काइजन. आई डिडंट न्यू दैट इट वाज काइजन इन दोस डेज, बट आई वाज डूइंग काइजन.
Doing it. Right.
तो इनोवेशन करता गया, इम्प्रूवमेंट लाता गया. और उसकी वजह से कंपनी में आई बिकेम ब्लू आई बॉय ऑफ मिस्टर पीके मोदी. वाज मोदी साहब की फैमिली में ही थे, कजिन थे. वहाँ से, अच्छा, सिंस आई वाज इन पैकिंग, तो मैंने कहा मुझे पैकिंग का उतना ज़्यादा टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं. सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग करस्पॉन्डेंस कोर्स विद द इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पैकेजिंग, मुंबई. एंड आई गॉट गोल्ड मेडल देयर. सॉरी, नॉट गोल्ड मेडल, डिस्टिंक्शन 76 or 77%. और टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, उन्हीं दिनों मेरा सन फार्मा का इंटरव्यू, इनका एड था प्लांट हेड के लिए दादा. तो मेरा इंटरव्यू डेट और एग्जाम डेट सेम थे. तो मैंने सुबह एग्जाम दिया, शाम को इंटरव्यू दिया, एंड आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड. उसके पहले मैंने एक बार इप्का से सन फार्मा में ट्राई किया था फॉर असिस्टेंट मैनेजर पोजीशन. आई डिड नॉट गेट, बट आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड फॉर प्लांट हेड. तो मैं जब सिलेक्शन हो गया, ऑफर लेके निकल रहा था, तो मैं हंस रहा था ऑटो में बैठ के. ऑटो वाला कहता साहब बड़े खुश लग रहे हो. मैंने कहा यार, वो उन दिनों एक पेपर में न्यूज़ भी आई थी कि एक बंदे ने हवलदार का एग्जाम दिया था, हवलदार में सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, बट दरोगा में सिलेक्शन हो गया उसका. तो मैंने कहा यार देखो, मेरा जूनियर पोजीशन उस कंपनी में नहीं हुआ, बट आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड एज अ प्लांट हेड. एंड दैट वाज अ टोटली डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. नाउ from being reporting to somebody, correct, you are suddenly a plant head,
and now that people are going to report to you,
and you are supposed to manage the entire facility. And that taught me so many things. Like there was a breakdown in one of the equipments. मेरा air compressor बंद हो गया.
So sir, here, like before moving on to your plant head's role, you mentioned that to be a king you have to behave like a king, right? Nowadays, like, you know, as a being at a leadership position, I also see ki I have, like, you know, team of around 35 people working with me. But the attitude where you'll see कि लोग बोलते हैं कि this is my KRA, this is my OKR, right? मुझे इतना काम बोला गया है and against that I'm getting this much of salary. So you know, आप मेरा designation बढ़ा दो, आप मेरा position बढ़ा दो, and then I will contribute more, right? So when this happens, मुझे ये सवाल आता है कि so will it be first the promotion और डू यू वांट टू बिकम अ केपेबल, लाइक द वे यू सेड किंग बनना है तो पहले आपके किंग के जो एट्रीब्यूट्स है वो होने चाहिए. तो व्हाट इज योर मैसेज और लाइक व्हाट वाज योर लर्निंग और हाउ यू शेप द योर टीम फॉर दैट?
I will use another phrase. First deserve, then desire.
Okay.
I'll tell you, during my Cadilla days only, I had developed one habit. I used to go to my boss. My ambition is this.
Right.
Tell me what you want from me.
Oh, correct.
I read a story in those days about a dog.
Right.
एक butcher था,
हाँ.
and he was just going to close his shop for the day.
Correct.
Suddenly found a dog entering his shop.
Right.
So he shooed him away.
हाँ.
But he again came in.
हाँ.
Then he realized that the dog is having a bag. So out of curiosity, he picked up the bag. That bag had money and a slip of order.
Okay.
So he was surprised that a dog has come to purchase.
Yeah.
So whatever was there, he gave it. Now out of curiosity, he followed the dog.
Okay.
सो डॉग गया, एक रोड क्रॉस करी, दूसरे रोड पे जाके उसका एक स्टॉप आया, वहाँ रुक गया. Some buses came. He kept on looking at the bus. Then he boarded finally one bus. He was very surprised.
The dog is doing all
Dog
this.
is doing all this. तो वो उसके पीछे पीछे गया. तो एक पर्टिकुलर स्टॉप पे वो डॉग उतरा. उसके बाद वो घर पे गया.
Okay.
घर पे जाने के बाद उसने देखा और then he started pushing the bell.
Yeah.
तो अंदर से ओनर आया, हाउस ओनर, और उसको गालियां देने लगा और डंडा उठा उसकी पिटाई लगाई. तो बुचर सरप्राइज हो गया कि ये इतना इंटेलिजेंट डॉग है.
Right.
और ये फिर भी उसको डांट रहा है, मार रहा है.
हाँ.
उसको पूछा कि भाई इतना इंटेलिजेंट डॉग है और तू उसको डांट रहा है. बोला ये तीसरी बार है, ये चाबी ले जाना भूल गया.
Okay.
So you may be very good
Yeah.
in your job, but if you are not meeting the expectation of your boss, you are not good. So first know the expectation of your boss. What it takes. See, when you set up a goal,
Right.
it's very easy, KRA, KPI.
हाँ.
But that you are doing to satisfy the salary. See, if you continue to do what you were doing yesterday, you will continue to get what you were getting day before yesterday.
Okay.
Today morning only, which I gave an example in my presentation, I saw one reel of a girl. She's in her maybe early 20s or late teens.
Okay.
She's a dropout from MIT.
Yeah.
So she said, I dropped out of MIT. Bole, what? What for? I started my own startup.
Okay.
So what have you achieved?
हाँ.
Today I have $300 million company. You were shocked, the interviewer. How did you do that? I'm able to visualize 30 years, 50 years from now.
Okay.
What is going to happen? And
Yeah.
I created those things. So until and unless you can look into future, you can't grow.
Right.
You have to, I have two famous lines on my board. Every day before I go home,
Yeah.
what I have done new.
Okay.
And no excuse, execute.
Correct.
Your boss is not there to hear out your excuses.
Correct.
Nobody pays you to hear the excuses. Everybody is paying for execution only.
Correct.
And that's the
very
key.
important. Right. So now, sir, we have understood it from the leader's lens, right? Now, as an employee, as in being at managerial role, and if I want to move to the VP's role, correct? As you have said, I need to have that vision ki after 20 years, 30 years, maybe 40 years, how it should be, and I should start taking actions towards it. How, as a being a junior level position, how we can develop that visionary skills or how you can visualize, कैसे कर सकते हैं ये?
मैं बताऊँ आपको क्या हो रहा है आजकल. You know, people are doing a lot of binge watching. I'll tell you a few examples. I've seen few operators in my career. when I go and talk to them
हाँ,
and I tell them कि देखो मैंने ये वीकेंड में ये नई चीज़ देखी,
right,
because I use internet
हाँ,
for learning more new things.
correct,
Still at this age when I'm retired almost,
hmm,
I still try to learn new things. What is the new trend that is coming up? What
Yeah.
is the new technology that is coming up?
right,
So that operator told me, सर ये भी अवेलेबल है. I was surprised कि एक ऑपरेटर लेवल का बंदा जो सिंपल ITI पास्ड है वो कहाँ से लाया है. तो मैं तेरे को कैसे मालूम? सर मैंने यूट्यूब पे देखा. आप बता रहे थे ना कल, तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे देखा.
okay,
लोग फैक्ट्री जाते हैं 20 किलोमीटर 25 किलोमीटर 1 घंटा स्पेंड करते हैं बस में, बट दे गो ऑन सोशल मीडिया
hmm,
वॉचिंग ऑल नॉनसेंस थिंग्स.
hmm,
अब ये बताइए कि हमने ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया, B.Pharm कर लिया, M.Pharm कर लिया,
हाँ,
उसके बाद क्या?
हाँ,
वॉट एफर्ट्स यू हैव पुट इन. अभी जो मेरे कलीग्स हैं जो बिजनेस में गए,
hmm,
दे कीप ऑन लर्निंग न्यूअर थिंग्स,
right,
दे ब्रिंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स,
hmm,
कंपनीज लॉन्च न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स,
hmm,
अदरवाइज यू कांट ग्रो.
correct,
What new skills we have developed?
hmm,
As a junior,
hmm,
if you go to your boss telling सर ये प्रॉब्लम है वो प्रॉब्लम है, rather than you should go to your boss कि सर ये प्रॉब्लम है लेकिन इसका ये सोल्यूशन अवेलेबल है मार्केट में.
Correct.
If you give me this budget, I can repay this within so many days.
right,
You will not only get, see, whenever any machinery manufacturer comes to me,
hmm,
I understand the features.
hmm,
Then I tell him first you sell it to me.
yeah,
Once I have bought it in my mind, then I go and present to my management,
right,
because I have to take money from the management. It's not my money.
right,
So
it's company's money,
company's money.
Yeah.
Company will invest only if they see some benefit out of it.
true,
Either it has to be compliance,
hmm,
either it has to be ROI.
hmm,
Each machine will not give you ROI, but it will give you something of the other benefit. If
Right.
there is no benefit, why would anybody invest?
hmm,
So you have to go with a solution
right,
and tell कि सर ये मैंने स्टडी किया है, डीप डाइव किया. लोग सुपरफिशियल जाते हैं,
right,
4 क्वेश्चन पूछो लोग वापस हो जाते हैं. ना सर मैं देख के बताता हूँ.
correct,
लोगों को याद ही नहीं होता है कि क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज वेरी लेस.
depth is important,
यस.
hmm, and also the courage to take up the responsibility,
वो तो किधर है ओनरशिप. आई कॉल इट फादर और अंकल बिहेवियर. दैट ऑल्सो आई लर्न फ्रॉम मिस्टर प्रेमचंद गोदा.
okay, can you tell us more about it, sir?
Yes, father is what? Father will reprimand you also, fulfill your requirement also.
correct,
But uncle will never reprimand you. Uncle will always entertain you, support you. आपको गंदी आदतें भी लगनी है तो अंकल के थ्रू लग जाएंगे, अंकल आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे. लेकिन फादर कभी नहीं करेंगे.
right,
Because father is a visionary who sees
hmm,
that you should grow.
hmm,
अंकल उतना नहीं सोचते हैं.
hmm,
अंकल अपने मौज मस्ती में रहते हैं, बच्चे को मजे करने दो.
correct,
इसलिए बच्चे लोग चाचा के पास और मामा के पास ज़्यादा खुश रहते हैं.
hmm,
पापा से हमेशा नाराज रहते हैं क्योंकि पापा हमेशा डांटते हैं.
that,
बिकॉज ही लुक्स एट हिज ग्रोथ.
right,
और फादर क्या है? फादर मीन्स यू आर टेकिंग ओनरशिप.
yes,
द मोमेंट यू टेक ओनरशिप यू विल डेफिनेटली ग्रो.
true, true, very true, sir. So now, sir, while we were talking, we were at your plant head position at Sun Pharma. So, can you tell us the one thing that first day when you entered the shop floor as a plant head? How was that experience, and what was the things which you were never told about the shop floor? Maybe like some shocking new reality that you have got to know, or some cultural shift you got to know. So how was it?
वन थिंग वॉज एज ए प्लांट हेड सबका सपोर्ट.
Hmm.
लाइक क्वालिटी रिपोर्ट्स टू समबडी एल्स. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑपरेशंस रिपोर्ट टू टेक्निकल गाय.
Correct.
Quality reports to VP quality.
Hmm.
Now that quality guy will not listen to you.
Yes.
So my experience with IPCA helped me, because what happened once I was facing one local FDA guy.
Mm-hmm.
तो उसने मुझे बोला, मैं उसको ऐसे ही बोला कि सर ये तो हमारे R&D ने हमको नहीं दिया इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया है. तो बोलता है नरेश,
Hmm.
फॉर मी यू आर IPCA.
Hmm.
आपका इंटरनल डिपार्टमेंट मुझे नहीं मालूम.
Hmm.
दैट इज़ फॉर यू टू हैंडल.
Right.
And that made me realize कि okay, the ownership lies with me. Now there I was only production head.
Correct.
I had a plant head in.
Yes.
तो I can always go and come, साहब वो सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा.
हाँ.
यहाँ किसको करूँगा?
हाँ.
यहाँ तो मुझे ही निकाल के देना.
Yes.
So I had to gel with my quality guy,
Hmm.
make him understand the business, make him understand कि okay, I'm willing to move up to this level, let us jointly work together.
Right.
And it's not for you, it's for the common good of the organization that we should work.
Right.
And that's from where I started learning how to handle and think about the inspector or the auditor, not the local QA.
Right.
And that's the learning I got. How tomorrow if FDA comes in, so whether it is my quality guy or me, we are representing the organization.
Correct.
So it's not for the quality guy to be satisfied, it is for the regulator whom I have to satisfy.
True. True.
And along with my team, we were able to, that plant had a 100 million capacity and we were able to just make double out of that. Directly Dilip bhai had called Naresh. I still remember that was October end कि नरेश मेरे को ये साल इतने पे ख़त्म करना है, इतना टर्नओवर. तब मुझे बिजनेस समझा वहाँ पे कि नहीं, दिस बिजनेस नीड्स दिस मच ऑफ प्रॉफिट, ही हैज़ टू टेक आउट, एंड दैट्स हाउ we were able to hit those targets.
Correct. So sir, let me ask you from the audience point of view. So if I want to become a plant head, right, the way you have said collaborative approach, like you have to interact with inter-departments and you have to take up the complete activity as an initiative, and business angle is another aspect which you mentioned. So if somebody wants to build themselves as a plant head, what do you think that these are the 3 important qualities that they should come up with?
The first thing is human approach.
Okay.
You should be able. Look at Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah.
They were such a brilliant batsmen,
Right.
but they were never successful captains. Look at Dhoni. He doesn't have many batting records, but he is one of the most successful captains ever.
Correct.
You need to create a very good team.
Okay.
You should have trust and very, very good, what say, reliability with your team members. People should love you.
Yeah.
एक होता है रिस्पेक्ट आउट ऑफ फियर, एक होता है रिगार्ड्स आउट ऑफ लव.
Okay. Beautiful.
तो वो जो प्यार में आप डंडे से कुछ करवा सकते हैं,
हाँ.
लेकिन प्यार में आप पहाड़ कटवा सकते हैं. And that has been my success.
Okay.
I've been able to make teams, maybe भले कोई भी होने दो, लेकिन मैंने कभी भी ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं इसको बदल के मेरे को अपना ही हाथ मिलाना है.
Right.
जो अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज हैं उनके साथ कैसे मैं उनका, द मोमेंट आप सेल्फलेस मोटिव से उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं और उनको बताते हैं कि नाउ यू कैन ग्रो दिस वे,
Right.
आप उनका रास्ता क्लियर करते हैं, उनको ग्रोथ दिखाते हैं,
Correct.
people will love you like anything, people will support you like anything. I've seen people stay back for me late in the evenings, they'll go to the plants even on weekends.
Right.
Sir, we are, but ऐसा नहीं है कि आप घर पे बैठ के जलसा कर रहे हैं और वो काम कर रहे हैं. You have to be with them.
Correct. As a leader you have
As a leader you have to. और जब फायरिंग होती है, जब कॉन्फ्रेंस में गोलीबारी होती है, उस समय आपको अपना सीना सामने जाना है कि the mistake is mine.
True.
I own the failure. Success is theirs.
Okay. So human approach is the one thing.
One thing is human approach. Second is your own knowledge.
Knowledge.
Nobody respects the chair.
Hmm.
People respect your knowledge.
Okay.
By knowledge what I mean is how you can solve their problems. अगर वो कहीं अटक रहे हैं, and if you are able to visualize कि कल तो ये चलेगा, परसों ये यहाँ अटकेगा.
Right.
For that you have to clear his path. See, people need resources.
Right.
And people need clear path to move ahead.
Correct.
You have to provide all those supports. उसको अगर spares चाहिए, उसको कोई electrical, mechanical कुछ भी support चाहिए, कहीं अटक रहा है, कोई material availability नहीं है, you have to make sure that he is getting that.
Right.
But उसमें dependency नहीं क्रिएट करना है कि वो लाके सारी प्रॉब्लम आपके टेबल पे छोड़ के जाए.
Right.
नहीं तो आप उसके वर्कर हो जाएंगे, वो आपका बॉस हो जाएगा.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So you have to guide him in that way that he is able to manage his own job.
Right. Okay. So one is human approach, one is knowledge. I would say practical knowledge.
Of
and
course.
what would be the third thing?
Third thing is आपका मैनेजमेंट में कितना सुनाई जाता है, मतलब हाउ यू आर हर्ड.
Okay.
बिकॉज वो देख रहा है, ही इज वॉचिंग He is watching whether he is getting support from the leadership or not.
Right.
If somebody else is getting that, he will start bypassing you and going to go to that person.
Correct.
So because you are middleman between both
Correct.
your junior team
And the
as
top
well
management.
top management. So your voices must be heard with.
Right. So of course, like to be at plant head position or maybe go on top of that. So three things we have learned. One is human approach, one is practical knowledge, and third is your voice in management. Like how much authority do you hold? So sir, I'd like to have a quick question. So if the audience is watching, and like not from the textbook or the any learning materials, what would be that one practical knowledge that they have to implement today to grow?
As a leader, I know मेरा एक कलीग है आशीष हजारने से स्टिल वर्किंग विद टॉरेंट एज एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर. सो उसने एक बहुत बढ़िया स्टोरी मुझे सुनाई. घोड़ा प्रधान.
Right.
इट इज़ वन ऑफ माई मीन्स आई लास्ट 15-16 ईयर्स से स्ट्रेस बस्टिंग.
Okay.
एज ए लीडर यू हैव टू बी काम. कितना भी बड़ा बॉम्ब आने चाहिए, मेंटेन योर कूल. पैनिक में कभी आपको सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा.
True.
सो घोड़ा प्रधान कहानी ऐसा है कि एक राजा ने अपने मंत्री को बोला, बादशाह और अकबर और बीरबल की स्टोरीज हैं समथिंग लाइक दैट,
Okay.
कि बीरबल को बोला ये घोड़े को फारसी सिखा दो और विद इन 3 months ही हैज टू लर्न फारसी, अदरवाइज यू आर गॉन.
Okay.
बीरबल टेंशन में घर आए. वाइफ ने कहा खाना खाओ. बोले नहीं मेरे को भूख नहीं है. बोले क्या हुआ? बोले बादशाह ने बोला है कि फारसी सिखाओ मेरे को. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम क्या? अरे क्या पागल हो? घोड़ा ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज ही नहीं बोल सकेगा तो फारसी की तो बात की है. बोले ओके कूल डाउन, टेल हिम यस आई विल डू इट,
Okay.
आई नीड सम टाइम.
Okay.
अरे बोले 20 साल भी होने तो नहीं होगा. अरे लेकिन 20 साल में बादशाह की प्रायोरिटी तो चेंज हो जाएगी.
Right.
एंड दैट्स हाउ वी शुड अप्रोच.
Okay.
कितना भी बड़ा यस आई कैन डू इट, आई नीड दीज रिसोर्सेस, स्पेल आउट, go back, you don't commit at front.
Okay.
Yes I will do it sir. Then slowly next meeting में आप अगर काउंटर करेंगे अपने बॉसेस को, मैनेजमेंट को, nobody likes that.
Right.
1-on-1 में जाके बोलिए सर ये हो जाएगा लेकिन इसमें ये चैलेंजेस हैं.
Correct.
एंड बिलीव मी प्लांट में प्रायोरिटीज डे नाइट चेंज होती है. आज ये प्रोडक्ट अर्जेंट है, कल दूसरा हो जाता है. और मजे की बात ये है कि ऊपर वाला बहुत सपोर्ट करता है. जिसके लिए आप ना बोल के बुरे बन रहे हैं,
Right.
वो मटेरियल ही नहीं आता है. आता है मटेरियल तो रिजेक्ट हो जाता है.
Right.
तो आपको वो टाइम मिल जाता है. और इतने में नेवर थिंक अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम. ये आया है, इसका रास्ता क्या है, व्हाट इज द वे आउट.
Correct.
द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग दैट, यू विल डेफिनेटली फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन.
Right. Interesting. So, sir, you mentioned about maintaining calm in difficult situation. How do you come up with that calm attitude? मतलब ऑफ कोर्स मतलब ऐसे सिचुएशंस होते हैं जहाँ पे हम एजिटेट हो जाते हैं, स्ट्रेस होता है, प्रेशर होता है कि ये डेडलाइंस है, अभी रेगुलेटरी का कंप्लायंस हमको फॉलो करना है, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ इंस्पेक्शन. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन ऑफ कोर्स वो कामनेस डाउन होना इज़ प्रैक्टिकल, बट टू मेंटेन दैट हाउ डू यू प्रैक्टिस इट?
ये मज़ेदार चीज़ है कि ऑडिट भी है,
हाँ.
डिलीवरेंस भी है. मैंने एक चीज़ देखी और प्रैक्टिस की कि ड्यूरिंग ऑडिट्स में फुल कैपेसिटी में प्लांट चलाता.
ओके.
उसमें मुझे सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज क्या होता था कि एफडीए जब भी प्लांट चल रहा होता है ना, तो वो देखता है कि हाँ सब चल रहा है. तो अंदर घुसने में वो वहाँ से समझ में आ जाता है कि हाँ अगर सब चल रहा है,
Right.
कुछ हौच पौच नहीं है.
हाँ.
एक ट्रस्ट आता है उसको.
हाँ.
दूसरा क्या होता है, डिलीवरेंस के लिए एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड कि ऑडिट है तो थोड़ा सप्लाई चेन वाले लोग भी साइड में बैठते हैं.
Right. Right.
जैसे ही वो एफडीए खत्म हुआ तुरंत पहुंच जाते हैं कि नहीं नहीं ये तो तुम्हारे काम का ऑडिट है ना, तुमको बढ़िया ही करना चाहिए था. नोबडी थिंक्स दैट वे, बट एज ए लीडर दैट प्रेशर यू हैव टू सस्टेन.
Right.
और वो तभी आता है बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. और जो काम है ना, मेडिटेशन करिए आप या कुछ भी कहिए, यू नो हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. और
Right.
कहीं थोड़ा बहुत सुनना पड़े तो यस व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट दैट यू आर पेइंग, यू हैव टू बैलेंस आउट.
Yes.
my successful audit is far more requirement, bigger requirement than the failure.
Correct.
मेरा एक प्रोडक्ट 1 लाख यूनिट 10 लाख कम जाएगा चलेगा, इमीडिएट उतना प्रेशर नहीं है. होता है बहुत सारी कंपनीज में प्रेशर होता है, बट फिर कंप्लायंस, not at the sake of compliance.
Correct.
Never ever in a regulated facility, do not believe. If you believe in quality, quantity तो आएगा ही.
Agree. Wonderful, sir. I think that's really important learnings that we have got. Matlab, start from how to behave like a king, how to own the leadership, how to elevate yourself by learning continuously. Start from the behaving like a king, how to own that leadership qualities, how to take up responsibilities, then how to elevate, and like what are the important factors that matters for you to become a plant heads or the senior position, right? It was really insightful talking to you, sir, and there are a lot of great learnings that I have got to know, beautiful stories we have heard, and definitely looking forward to hear more stories, sir. Yeah, it was really fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.